Averil Horton from Brunel, here to tell you about our air hybrid system for urban buses, which turns the engine into an air pump during vehicle deceleration. During vehicle overrun, the engine becomes an air pump and produces compressed air that's then stored. This air is then used for engine stop-start through an air starter and also provides service compressed air in place of the engine-driven compressor. In deceleration, the intake valve is locked open by 1 millimetre and the air compressed in the compression stroke is captured by our special air valve in the intake manifold. This enables a stop-start regime to be adopted and the stored energy used to restart the engine. So the system captures braking energy. It's very simple. It saves fuel and it saves money. No subsidies are required. And with the exception of our special air valve, it uses only known and proven technologies. It can be retrofitted, even to old engines, and there's no compromise to existing engine design, performance or emissions. It's ideal for stop-start urban buses and can supplement conventional air supply. And we've filed several international patents. The graph shows a 40-minute driving cycle with the air tank being charged in overrun and discharged as the engine is restarted using the compressed air. This graph shows a cumulative fuel usage, blue as standard and pink with the air hybrid. The simulation predicted a fuel saving of around 6%, maybe 7 litres a day. We ran an actual trial on an urban bus in China, vehicle speed in red, engine speed in blue. It drops to 0 and then is restarted using the air starter. So now we can see the base fuel usage and then with the Brunel air hybrid, a saving of 5.7%, which we thought was satisfyingly close to the simulation. A further 3.5% was realised by using the air generated to take the load off the engine compressor. So nearly 10%, and it could be even higher with a bit of improved efficiency. 6 to 7% savings with a target cost of 1 year's payback. Off-the-shelf components, except for our special air valve. Designed for retrofit, done in a day, you might not even need to remove the engine. It can be fitted during bus refurbishment or engine preparation. No change in efficiency or emissions, and it's activated only during engine braking. We collaborated with Yuchai in China to develop an OEM version and signed a China-only licence. We're now working with pecha to develop an improved air valve and a retrofit version for the 9.6 litre bus engine. So the design parameters are known and parts are manufactured for test. And on-bus trials with an early user are planned for autumn this year. Following £1 million of university research, Brunel and Yuchai then funded 350k of development that led to the bus in China. Subsequently, 800k has been invested to develop the retrofit version. But we still need to do some things. Refine the design of the special air valve for production and operation, carry out extended durability trials, finalise the interaction with vehicle management systems, review drivability implications, and integrate with the vehicle operator systems and industry practices. We see 3 potential opportunities. Brunel will license pecha to manufacture the air valve and other parts for a retrofit service business. We'll introduce the new air valve back to Yuchai to use in China, probably using pecha manufactured parts. And we want to develop an OEM version with an OEM partner assisted by Productive and pecha. We estimate about £1 million to get from the on-bus trial in the autumn to a fully operational retrofit business, 250k for a Yuchai-specific version, but development of an OEM business is a much bigger project, maybe up to 5 million. 3 issues need managing. We still need to do component and system FMEA, and changes to vehicle driving characteristics we know little about yet. So we'll assess this in the trial and address engine design, performance or emissions. 6% fuel savings, could be 10. Retrofittable. Payback time of year, maybe less. And on-bus trials will start soon. So we're here today to find partners to work with. And if you were, thank you for listening.